Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c minus 9 to the power of 4 equals to c to the power of 4, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here the very first step we are going to do is first we need to focus in the right hand side, and we move the c to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and it will be written as c minus 9 to the power of 4. This will becomes minus c to the power of 4, and this is equals to 0. So here after that we rewrite this equation as in this form. So we rewrite c minus 9 to the power of 4 as c minus 9 square and its whole square, minus we write this c to the power of 4 as c square and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we will apply here the algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here according to this algebraic formula we write our above equation as in this form. So first we write here a minus b term. So if you see here, our a is c minus 9 whole square and our b is c square. So this is a minus b. So above equation is written as c minus 9 square minus c square into this is a plus b. So a is c minus 9 square plus c square, and this is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. So that our first case is we take c minus 9 whole square minus c square equals to 0, and the second case is we take c minus 9 whole square plus c square equals to 0. So here we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and we get the values of c. So that from equation number 1 we will copy down equation number 1 here. It will be written as c minus 9 whole square minus c square equals to 0. So here we again apply this algebraic formula. So according to this algebraic formula we write this term as, so if you see here, our a is c minus 9 and our b is c only. So again we have this is a square minus b square, so we write it as a minus b. So here our a is c minus 9 and a minus b, so b is our c into a plus b. So here our a is c minus 9 plus b is c, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need some simplifications here, and you see that this is minus c and plus c are cancelled by each other, and here we have this is minus 9, and here we have this is c plus c becomes 2c. This is minus 9 equals to 0. And now here we move this minus 9 to the right hand side, or in other words we will divide both of the sides by minus 9. So these are cancelled by each other, and we will obtain here 2c minus 9 equals to 0. And here we get the value of c equals to, here 2c equals to 9. This is minus 9 becomes plus 9, and we get the value of c equals to 9 divided by 2. So this is the value of c which we get from equation number 1. And now here in order to find the other values of c we need to focus on equation number 2. So from equation number 2 we will first copy down the equation number 2 here, c minus 9 whole square plus c square equals to 0. This is our equation number 2. And now here we will apply this algebraic formula. It is a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab. So that according to this formula we write our first term as in this form. This is c minus 9 whole square. We write it as c square plus 9 square minus 2 times of c into 9 and plus c square equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to focus on this term, and it will be written as c square plus c square equals to 2 times of c square. This is 9 square equals to 81. This is 2 times of 9 becomes here 18 c equals to 0. So you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in c variable but not into the standard form, so that first we write into the standard form, so that we just rearrange the terms. So we have 2c square minus 18c plus 81 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and here we will apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. First we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 2, capital B equals to minus 18, and capital C equals to 81. So here we have our small c equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c here. And after substituting the values, it will be written as c equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 18, so this minus times of minus becomes plus 18, and plus minus, this is square root of 18 square minus 4 times of a is 2 and c is 81, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a equals to 2. And now in the next step we have, this is c equals to 18 plus minus square root of 18 square, and we know that 18 square equals to 324 minus, this is 4 times of 2 is 8, 8 times of 81 equals to 648, and it is divided by 2 times of 2 equals to 4. So further we have c is equals to, this is 18 plus minus, here we have 324 minus 648 equals to minus 324, and it is divided by 4. Okay, so now in the next step we need to focus on this term only, and we rewrite this term as 18 plus minus, here we write this 324 as 18 square. We know that 18 square equals to 324, and we will separate the square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 4. So here these 2 and square root are gone, and we will get here. So here we again break this fraction and we write it as 18 over 4 plus minus, here this square and square root are gone, and we again get 18 over 4, and we know that square root of minus 1 equals to iota. So here we cancel these terms by the table of 2. So you have 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Similarly 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. So finally we have the other two values are 9 over 2 plus minus 9 over 2 iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and we have the one real root of the given equation are c equals to 9 over 2. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.